today's video I'm going to be doing about how to look like Megan Fox. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial of how to get the look and achieve the look that Megan Fox is pretty much famous for in this photo. And I'll be taking you guys step by step and also giving you some subliminals that I've actually used to look like Megan Fox too. And you know, maybe that'll help you guys or anything if you are into subliminals. Alright, so let's get started with this video and let's go through the makeup look. Okay, I'm using my viewfinder as the mirror right now. I'm just taking this like kind of glowy looking primer and just putting it over my face. I only have a sample of this and I'm actually not even sure what it is, but I picked it up as a sample in Sephora like a while ago and I actually kind of like it. It does give your skin like a bit of glow. I think it might be by Becca Cosmetics if I like had to guess, but yeah, you just really want like a glowy primer to kind of like give your skin like a fresh start. I do have a little bit of a pimple right there, but I'm gonna have to cover that. And next I'm gonna be using this foundation by Jose Maron. It actually matches my nails. Sick. It's in the color Awakened RG 45. So we just squirt a little bit, and I always use my hands to apply my foundation because I don't feel like getting a brush. I don't think it like adds anything to putting on foundation, and I don't even do a lot. Like, I keep it very sheer. You do just want to like cover places. Sometimes with my self-tanner it's not even, so you kind of do need foundation for that. The neck is really like the problem area that I have because my face is always darker than my neck, and yeah, you just kind of have to blend. I mean, I find that unless it's like in front of a bright light, no one's really gonna notice too much. So I think people really kind of over-exaggerate how much they go over their neck, but oh well. Then I'm using my face is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and of course we're just dotting that underneath the eye. And then always blend with your pointer finger or ring finger, because you don't want to blend with your other finger because it's too harsh and you will pull your skin. Your skin is very fine. Just pat that in, okay? A base for our eyeshadow. We're just gonna do a shiny, shimmery base. This is a really nice champagne-ish tone look. I'm going all over my eyelid with that, and we're just throwing that into the inner corner. And we're going all over the top of the eyelid. Really just like, you know, getting that base on there, and then I kind of go like that. Like, just blend that out with your finger. Okay, makeup is all about blending. She, in this photo that I'm trying to manipulate, she's wearing like a very like frosty white color on her lid. So the best color that I have that matches that is Stilo's Kitten. This is like a famous and amazing eyeshadow. I know a lot of people, it's holy grail, and it never lets you down. It always gives your eyes like a light bulb effect of like actual brightness. It's crazy. So I'm going in and I'm taking that and I'm putting that in the inner corner and basically the inner first third of my eye, and we're just doing very light patting motions, and we're just pushing it into the skin so the skin can, you know, take it and keep it there. And of course you gotta do it on the other eye too. This brush is really good for that because it gives that roundness that everyone has in their inner corner, and it's that same shape, so it's really good. Normally I would use like a flatter brush for the rest of it, but we're just gonna try to see how it looks. Okay, so that's basically that, and of course just always pull that, but less, like pull it down through here. Okay, her photo almost looks like it's a bit of a gray brown, so I'm gonna take mauve and I'm gonna mix it with sable. Okay, and we're gonna really define this. So normally I don't define my crease in this area right here so much, but I think it's really gonna help me get the angles. I'm gonna add drama, okay, so I'm gonna go in with espresso, and we're gonna do a V-cut crease like right out here, okay. Not doing anything like crazy, really what I have. One more thing is I want to make it very white. So I actually brought this down in case my other whites weren't white enough. This is NYX pigment. So we're actually just gonna like use this as that inner corner highlight. And then use that above. Because I just don't think the whites that I had were white enough. This is like really hard to do my makeup in front of the camera. She doesn't have too much in her inner corner, so this might be a little bit too much, but we can always go in and we can always blend that out. Alright. I like that though. I have to grab my lookin eyeliner because I didn't bring it down. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention was the hair. Megan's got it parted in her middle, so I'm just gonna kind of like take my hair and, you know, part it in the middle. Basically, this is the bikini. So I'm gonna be taking the photo by a blank wall right now. I can't really show you guys, but I'm gonna do that and then I'll show you guys the final result when I'm done. Woo! I kind of do look like her, don't I? That's weird. Isn't that weird? That's funny. That's hopefully that was good, and hopefully I can get some shots, you know, with this. This is pretty much it. This is the look. This is the look like Megan Fox look, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this, and I hope that, oh, one more, that's so weird that I like look a lot like her now. I hope this video really helped. So the subliminals that I used for that, because you guys are gonna ask me, they're literally the ones that are just like look like Megan Fox, and they have the photos of her. I don't remember specifically who makes it. I think it's Soko, but if I'm wrong, or Slay Audios, that's who it is. So I used the one by Slay Audios, and I think I used it for like 2 months back in the summer 2 years ago. And yeah, I mean, people just always kind of say that I look like her. It's so weird. I really enjoy making these types of makeup videos for you guys. Makeup is, you know, a passion of mine. So I hope that you guys can really support this so that I'm able to make more content like this in the future. And you know, your support means absolute world to me, guys. So you're just amazing. I love all of you guys so much, and I hope that you can follow me on my Instagram too at Meaganxrose. I will be posting this look there too if you guys want to check it out. Alright, so kisses and love to you guys, and I'll talk to you guys so soon. Alright, bye.